Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a blur transition on CapCut. So first go to effects, video effects, go to basic, and you are going to find camera focus 2. Let's see, that's camera focus 1. So I'm trying to find, there it is. Go to adjust and put the speed up to 100 and the blur up to 100. And actually you have to make sure that your clips are about 2 seconds. So don't forget about that. And then you are just going to copy the effects for each and every one of the clips. Once you're done, you're going to again copy the effects and put it below the first effects on all of the clips. And once you're done, you're going to export it. So just press export. And then after that, you're going to open up a new project and you're going to select the video that you have exported. So I'm just going to do that right now. Press add, and then you are going to separate the clips. So I'm just going to do this to make it easier. Like so. Then after that, to every clip, you are going to add in the flash in effect. So go to the clip, press speed, curve, and choose flash in. And then you are going to do that for all of your videos. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!